Hey everybody, how you doing? It is Mr. Bookman and I will be reading Mr. Sloth by Katy Hudson. Please enjoy. Mr. Sloth. Sasha Patient Pruitt was far from patient. She loved to do a lot of things all at once. She had one speed fast. Early one morning, Sasha raced up to her treehouse, trampling some flowers along the way. She frantically waved her butterfly net around for 2 seconds and moved on. She had just whipped out her guitar to serenade the birds when she was interrupted by a almighty crash above her head. Sasha scrambled up to the roof to find a sloth. "Hello," he said. "My name is Sloth." Mr. Sloth was going to explain how he had fallen from the branch above during his morning nap. But Sasha was too impatient to wait for his story. "Come along, Mr. Sloth," she said. "We are going to my best friend's. I have so much for us to do together." They tried playing doctor, but Mr. Sloth took far too long to find a heartbeat. Sasha decided that Mr. Sloth could be the patient. That worked better. They tried building a rocket, but Mr. Sloth was much too slow with a sticky tape. Sasha thought it was best that he do a different job. Painting took even longer. Sasha had painted 4 pictures in the time it took Mr. Sloth to tie his apron. "Come along now," Sasha said, picking up a paintbrush and taking over. "There, all done. Grab a helmet, Mr. Sloth. It's time for the neighborhood race." On Sasha and Mr. Sloth sped, faster than anyone else in the race. Faster and faster they went until "Stop!" howled Mr. Sloth. "What is it?" Sasha asked impatiently. "Can you hear?" That bird singing, he asked. Beautiful. Sasha paused. The chirping was nice enough, but she had a race to win. She plopped Mr. Sloth back in her bite basket. Off they sped again. Sasha pedaling fast to catch up until stopped, moaned Mr. Sloth with a quick huff. Sasha stopped. What is it now, Mr. Sloth? Can you smell the flowers? He asked. Sasha sniffed around, pausing a little longer. This time, the flowers did smell nice. How had she never noticed that before? But she didn't have time for this. The race was still underway. Helmet back on, Mr. Sloth, she said. Let's go. Off they raced, and once more Sasha pedaling as fast as she could until Stop, wheezed Mr. Sloth. Once again, Sasha slammed on her brakes. But before she could ask, Mr. Sloth took off his helmet and whispered. Sasha waited. She took a breath. She felt a teeny breeze. She looked and listened. All was still. That day, Sasha saw that fun had two speeds, fast and slow. She still liked to go as fast as she could at times, but other times going slow worked much better. And just like Sasha had predicted, she and Mr. Sloth became a very best friends. At the end of every day, they would snuggle together for story time. Mr. Sloth took so long to read the words that Sasha got to enjoy every part of the story more than she ever had before. She even had time to look at the pictures. Of course, they didn't always make it to the end. Wasn't that a cute story? Girl became friends with that sloth. Wasn't that cool? Do you know any place that has a sloth where you live? Let me know with a thumbs up if you have ever seen a sloth before. I have. There's a guy over there in Detroit. He has a YouTube channel. I can't think of his name right now, but he has other kind of animals as well. And he has a sloth there. Pretty cool. Well, everybody, I hope all of you enjoyed this book reading, and if you did, can you smash that thumbs up button for me? Go thumbs up. If you're new and you came along this video, can you hit that red subscribe button down below and subscribe to my channel? Also hit that notification bell. Whenever I upload, you'll be notified. But until my next book reading, they call me Mr. Bookman. And this book reading's over. Have a good one. Take care.